tide coming out. We've gotta stop what we're doing now. Don't know why I was thinking, I think I'm catching feelings. Oh, but now that your cover's blown, you act up but you're fragile as a stone. Don't know why I was thinking, I think I'm catching feelings now.
Hey guys, so we mentioned a little while ago we were going to do like a DIY Halloween outfit sort of video. We looked into it, then we went to B&M and we found some pretty cute outfits. We decided rather than doing DIY, let's go buy a load of outfits and let him have a little fashion shoot in the field. So keep watching so you can see how cute he looks. Yeah, Max, come here. Catch. Oh, you missed it. So first outfit on the list is a little devil outfit. So it might be a bit too girly for him, but I'll let Ayana wear it so you can see her on point. But it's actually quite cute, it's all sparkly. It has got like a little heart tail and it has also got a nice little bit on the belly. It's got a hood, which Max hates hoods, but we'll try and get a picture of it. We got a size large and it was only a £5. Which the amount of material it costs, like, just to make it, I think I got a pretty good deal. That's fine. Good boy. Up a little bit. Up a little bit. Oh, put his little hood up.
Max, put your head down.
Does the hood not fit him? Max, come here then. Go get it. Max. So next one on our list.
Pumpkin. So this one was only a £5. It's all pillowy. It's the smallest, so this one will go on Duke.
Yeah.
Obviously wants to try that out on Max. Just again, 2 straps. Nice and easy. All soft. Max should love it.
Hopefully.
He's running, 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 running it out again. Running, 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 running it out again. You stay gone.
So next one. So on all the outfits I got Max a large. This one I got an extra large. I think they sold out the larges. And it was a jumper. It was a cute little incy-wincy spider jumper. I thought it was cute. There's no straps, it's just a cute little jumper.
And then to go with the jumper, so we're going to put them on at the same time for this one, is cute little witch's hat. This one was only £2. It's, yeah, just a simple hat. Straps on, nice and easy.
And this was, I think, one of the cheapest outfits. It was only £4. So the whole outfit altogether only came to £6. So it wasn't that much more than the others.
Yeah.
Stay back. I've gotta get you out my head now. You stay gone, you stay back. And you were wrong, you know that. I've gotta get you out my head now. You stay gone, you stay back. Kieran always hears the sound of sirens. He says he hopes one day he's lost at sea. The water's up to his neck. It's so damn cold.
Oh no, Max, your hand!
It survived longer than I thought it would.
Yeah, it's because he shook. Oh, Max, come here with your little beard, please. So, we've shown you the cutesy spider one. Now we've got this spider outfit. It's got big furry legs like a little tarantula, And I'm hoping where Max is like black and white in colour, I'm hoping it's actually going to look like a spider. But it's starting to get darker, so hopefully we'll get all the footage done
Yeah.
before it gets too dark, before you can see it.
Professionals.
All you can see is breath and visions of Virginia in the deep. He's running, 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 running and out again. Running, 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 running and out again. You stay gone, you stay back. I've gotta get you out my...
So, getting pretty dark, which we're worried about. But here's our final one. It was £5. The little devil that rides on his back, look. So hopefully this one works out because I love this one. Seems great.
It's definitely your favourite, isn't it?
Definitely my favourite. So try this on him. Hopefully you can see. And then we'll close.
Awesome. Right, see you in a bit.
Now you stay gone, you stay back. And you were wrong, you know that. I've gotta get you out my head now. You stay gone, you stay back. He's running, 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 running and out again. Running, 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 running and out again. You stay gone, you stay back. I've gotta get you out my head now. You stay gone, you stay back.
So if you want to see more videos of us sort of dressing Max up, please don't forget to subscribe and like to our channel. And if you want, comment below what sort of outfits you want us to see sort of Max wearing in the future as well. But also, like I said, stay tuned, we'll have some Wish more hauls popping up soon regarding sort of accessories and some toys. And we are also going to take Max on a little adventure soon as well. So keep watching to find out where we take him. See you guys soon, bye!
And you were wrong, you know